Ew, babe!
What?
You got a snot rocket off.
Yeah, get-
Don't touch. You're gonna pull it out of your nose?
What the fuck?
Sorry.
What the fuck is? Why are you aiming your fucking projectile fucking
not.
sneeze at me?
Oh, sorry. Don't be shy, put some more.
Put some away.
You think I didn't see your butthole?
My what?
Your butthole right there. Give it to me. You see, in France, we don't have AC.
What?
Thank you for all the love and support.
Why are you doing that?
Oh, God. I think it's my allergies.
What the fuck? Olivia,
What? What?
you just fucking sneezed on me.
Bro. Look at all this freaking snot.
And you just
going
fucking
everywhere.
playing with it with your dirty ass.
Oh!
Oh, hell no! No, no, no!
I need a tissue. Oh, I gotta sneeze again.